The price of a daily newspaper in Germany is 0.3 mark in January 1921. But in just 2 years, it soared to 7,000 marks in November 1922. It jumped more than 200 million times. The prices of other goods in Germany rose as much as the newspaper. It was the worst inflation that happened anywhere in the world. Inflation was quite frequent in the United States but never as severe as the one experienced by Germany in the 1920s. A high inflation entails high social costs, which makes keeping price increase in control one of the most important priorities of any government. What causes inflation then? Excessive or persistent increase in prices are almost always caused by an increase in the money in circulation. In early 1920s, prices in Germany rose 3 times per month. So did the quantity of money in circulation. The US had a similar experience, although it was not as severe. In the 1970s, there was steep rise in prices due to rapid increase in the quantity of money. Prices have been stable recently since there has been a slower growth in the quantity of money.
The Roman Empire is known to have collapsed due to the invasion of the barbarians. In particular, in the 3rd century, hundreds of thousands of barbarians invaded the Roman Empire every year. It was hyperinflation that actually drove Rome into crisis. The silver coin of denarius in Rome was produced with about 3.8 grams of silver. The rulers started to reduce the amount of silver contained in a coin in order to increase the money in circulation. It was Emperor Nero who first appreciated the silver currency. The real reason for Nero's death was inflation, not his policy of suppressing Christians. Silver coins continued to depreciate as Rome needed money to support its military to fight wars. With the collapse in confidence in the silver coin, the waves of hyperinflation overwhelmed Rome. People kept the denarius coins made of 100% silver at home and did not use them. This so-called depositing in the safe or closet became rampant, plunging the economy into depression. It was Emperor Constantinus who saved Rome from the chaos. The gold coin made by Constantinus became the main currency in Rome. He gave up trying to restore the silver standard. He decided to switch from silver to the gold standard instead. With the gold standard in place, the economy started to breathe again. This laid the foundation for the Eastern Roman Empire.